Hi family, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you two different recipes how you can prepare your rice water in order to maximize hair growth, grow a fuller, thicker hair and shinier hair, and also grow back your edges and treat bald patches. First, I'll be showing you the first recipe done by the Yao women in Asia. And the second recipe will be my own personal recipe formulated by me. Now, rice water has been known to have a whole lot of benefit for our hair. But before we start, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also like and share this video with your friends and family. So without further ado, let's go straight to the video. So we'll be making use of the white rice. That's what I'll be making use of today. You can actually make use of any rice available to you. But you have to be very careful if you have low porosity hair. You want to make use of the brown rice because the brown rice contains more protein compared to the white rice. So I will prefer you go in with the white rice instead. I'll also be using my glass jar where I'll be putting in my rice water, and I'll be using lemon peel for this recipe. So the first thing to do, the first step is to wash your rice thoroughly. You can see how I'm washing mine. I'm using my two hands to rub it in between my hands to wash it thoroughly. That's exactly how the Yao women did it. They washed the rice thoroughly to remove any germs, any toxins from the rice. Rice is said to contain a whole lot of minerals and vitamins such as amino acid, vitamin B, vitamin E, and it's also loaded with antioxidants. Rice is also said to make the hair silky and shinier. Rice also serves as a conditioner for the hair. Rice water also helps to cure dandruff. It also strengthens the hair as well. Do not just shake the rice. That's how some people do it. They just shake it, and they say they washed it. No, that's not the way. You wash it thoroughly. Exactly. That's how you should do it. Rice also protects our hair from damage. So let your rice, wash it thoroughly. And rice water can also be used to grow back your edges. So the next step now, I'll be putting my rice inside a pot. Then I'll be filling it up with water, just enough to cover the rice. You fill it up with water, just enough to cover the rice. Rice water has been used for ages by the Yao women, and the Yao women has attributed their longer hair to the use of rice. Add my water. Then I would stir it and leave the water inside the pot for 15 minutes. I'll allow it to sit for 15 minutes. That's what I would do. In order for the rice to just leave it for 15 minutes. While the rice is sitting, I'm going to go ahead to wash the back of my lemon. I'll wash my lemon thoroughly in order to remove any dirt or germs from the lemon, because I'll be using the skin for this recipe. Though the Yao women use mandarin or pomelo for their own recipe, but since if you can't find that, you can actually make use of any citrus fruit, either orange or lemon. So I'm making use of lemon for my own recipe. So you peel off the back of the lemon. I've peeled it off already. That's what I'll be using. Then I went ahead to sieve my water. I lost the footage, so I've sieved the water already. The rice is no longer inside. I took only the rice water, put it on heat, and I'm putting in all the skin of the lemon together with the rice, and I left it in the pot to boil and simmer for like 30 minutes. Though the Yao women never explained how many minutes or hours they left it, you can leave it for as long as you want to. It all depends on you. So it's boiling right now. Rice water also cures dandruff, and rice water can also be used as a conditioner for the hair, and it protects the hair from damage. So I have put down my rice water. I'll allow it to cool a little bit. So I'll be transferring it into my glass jar with the aid of a funnel. It's still very hot. You have to be very careful so it doesn't burn you. Transferring it right now into my glass jar, and I will still put back the lemon skin inside the water. I'll leave it back inside the water. Then I'll cover it and allow it to ferment for 2 to 1 month, 2 weeks to 1 month. Unlike the normal recipe you see out there, they will leave the water inside, the rice inside the water and leave it for 24 hours. That's not the right recipe, or that's not the right way the Yao women did it. When I made my research, I saw that they left it in for 2 weeks, between 2 weeks and 1 month, for it to have a maximal fermentation, so you'll be able to reap the maximum benefit from this rice water. And rice water can also help treat your edges. Now, I have already used the recipe, but my take on this rice water recipe is this. As good as it is, you still have to be very careful how you make use of rice water on your hair, especially for my sisters with low porosity hair. You know that our low porosity hair already has a lot of protein on its strands. So making use of rice water constantly with someone who has a low porosity hair, it can actually cause you protein overload. So you have to be very careful. And I will also suggest that you should not use rice water as a leave-in. If you want to use rice water, you can apply it on your hair, leave it for 30 minutes, just 30 minutes, and that was exactly how the Yao women did it. Not more than 30 minutes, and rinse it off. Now this is my second recipe. I divided the rice water already into 2, put another part of the water in another jar, then I chopped some of my onion and I put the onion inside the rice water, and I will also cover it to also ferment for 2 weeks to 1 month. That was what I did. As we all know, onion contains a whole lot of benefit for our hair. Onion helps to reduce breakage. Onion also helps to stimulate hair growth, and onions also helps to stimulate circulation of blood to the scalp. Onion is loaded with sulfur, and as we all know, sulfur is one of the most important minerals that is beneficial for hair growth. I also went ahead to add my eucalyptus essential oil, which also helps with scalp issues. It also helps to stimulate blood circulation, which in turn will lead to hair growth. So I added like 10 drops. You can use lavender or any oil of choice. So that is the recipe. So I'll be leaving it there. This recipe is the truth. Onion together with rice water, you can imagine the amazing benefits you will get for your hair. This mix can help you a lot. It will help you reduce breakage. It will help you grow a fuller hair. It will also help strengthen your hair strands because of the protein it contains. But please be very careful how you make use of rice water. Like I said, people with low porosity hair, do not use it as a leave-in. Just apply it on your hair, leave it for 30 minutes and you rinse it off. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and also like and share this video. And do not forget to turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So if you try this out, let me know both recipe, which do you prefer and which do you wish to try? Let me know below in the comment section. And if you have tried your rice water before, let's also know your recipe that you use. So thank you all so much. See you all next time, family, in the next video. Bye. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye.